and good evening. My name is Jennifer Hernandez, and I'm here today to talk to you about a topic called biomimicry. What exactly is biomimicry? Biomimicry is the examination of nature, its processes, elements, and organisms that help allow for other organisms on Earth to thrive and adapt easily. In ancient times, man used several tools that organisms used to thrive on Earth. For example, man used mammoth fur and other animal furs to help insulate their temperature and keep their bodies warm. Also, man would use animal teeth and animal bones to create sharp knives and spears out of the sharp and durable material. Today, man uses a variety of tools that organisms can use to thrive on Earth. Scientists are now mimicking systems, organisms, processes, and elements to develop inventions that will help facilitate human life. Carbozyme Inc. This company basically created a lung-like material used in smokestacks and factories to help reduce the release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. The material prevents 90% of greenhouse gases from escaping and reaching the atmosphere and thus warming the planet. According to merrickmanuals.com, the way our lungs expel carbon dioxide is basically we inhale oxygen and carbon dioxide enters the lungs and reaches the alveoli. Alveoli are the gas exchange units that are in the lungs. Layers of cells lining the alveoli and the surrounding capillaries are each only one cell thick, which is about 10,000th of a centimeter, and are tightly packed and condensed in sheets. Oxygen passes quickly through the air-blood barrier in the capillaries. Similarly, carbon dioxide passes from the blood into the alveoli when exhaled. This is basically a diagram of the lungs, and right here you can see a close-up of the alveoli. And here's basically blood cells, and you can see that the carbon dioxide is going out and the oxygen is coming in. Carbonic anhydrase helps to remove carbon dioxide in the blood. Well, scientists at Carbozyme Inc. took carbon anhydrase found from mollusks and basically successfully transformed it so that it turns into limestone. The limestone can be used for building materials, and it also reduces the amount of carbon dioxide that is released into the atmosphere. Pax Scientific, basically this company created devices like fans, mixers, turbines, propellers, in a certain geometric shape that gases, heat, and liquids follow. So the devices have been used for the production of clean energy like wind energy and water energy. Nature has developed a way of moving water and air efficiently through the use of a logarithmic shape, which is basically that's an exponentially growing spiral pattern. This design is commonly seen in the inside of seashells, the curled up trunks of elephants, the tails of chameleons, and also the shape of the inner ear, which is called the cochlea. Because of the logarithmic patterns, noise levels have been reduced to up to 75%. Also, the end designs have reduced energy usage from about 10 to 85% compared to man-made rotors. Termite mounds can be a catalyst for the future of energy-efficient buildings. There is a building in Zimbabwe called the Eastgate Building, and basically the air conditioning system was modeled after a certain type of termite mound, which is called the Mactermes michaelsensi. That's the species of termite. These termites, basically they maintain the temperature inside of their nest within 1 degree day and night. the building uses 90% less energy than other buildings of the same size, and not only that, it saved the building owner already. It saved them $3.5 million on air conditioning costs. Well, basically, biomimicry has improved the efficiency of some machines and devices that humans use today, and nature has also taught us to develop new methods of preserving our planet. We can preserve our planet by learning from organisms that have been here long before we have. I'd like to finish up with a quote by Janine Benyus from the Biomimicry Institute. The more our world functions like the natural world, the more likely we are to endure this home that is ours, but not ours alone. Thank you. Good evening.